Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you the best way to bypass Google account verification. So let's get into it. First of all, open Settings. Then go to Accounts and Backup. Under the Accounts and Backup section, tap on Manage Accounts. Navigate to your Google account and tap on Remove Account. Review the new pop-up, then tap Remove Account to confirm your action. Deactivating Factory Reset Protection is probably the easiest solution available to bypass Google verification. You should always do it if you plan to sell or give away your phone. Or if you're buying a second-hand device, check that the seller has removed their account before you buy. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.